Hey everyone, I'm Omkar from Supervity AI, and I want to kick this off by talking to you about something that's been on my mind lately. AI is making decisions about our lives, and most people don't even know about it. What interest rate you get on your loan, whether you land that job you applied for, even if your kid gets into the school they can dream of. These are just not recommendations, these are decisions, and more of them are being made by AI. And then another dangerous thought. Even when people do know AI is involved, they assume that it's neutral, fair, and objective. But that's a dangerous myth. AI is only as good and as fair as the data and people behind it. So today I want to talk to you about trust in AI. Because when we looked at our last data, over 80% of AI projects never make it past the pilot phase. And the number one reason is that people don't trust the results. And I get it, trust is earned, but how do we build it? At Supervity, we are looking at different pillars of trustworthy AI. And if you're part of any organization building or buying AI, this should matter to you too. So let me walk you through them. Number one pillar is of fairness. Is the AI treating everyone equally, especially people from groups that have historically been left out or misrepresented? If not, we have a problem. The next one is explainability. Can you understand how the AI came to its decision? Can you explain it to a customer, to a regulator, or even to your own team? If the answer is no, that's not good enough. And number three is robustness. Is the system secure? Can someone tamper with it or game it to give it some unfair outcomes? We need systems that are not just smart but also secure. The next pillar is that of transparency. Are we being upfront that AI is being used? Are we giving users access to what model does, what data it was trained on, and how it behaves? And last and most importantly is privacy. Are we protecting people's data not just technically but ethically? Now at Supervity, we agree with these three core principles for AI in organization. Number one, AI should augment human intelligence, not replace it. Number two, data and the insights from that data should always belong to the creator. And third is that the entire AI lifecycle should be transparent and explainable. But here's the catch. This is not just a technology problem. It's not a problem you solve by throwing some tools and technology at it. It's a people problem, it's a culture problem, and it's a leadership nightmare. That's why we call this a socio-technical challenge, and solving it by the means of looking at three big areas. Number one, first, people. What's the culture in your organization? Who's on your data science team? Are there different perspectives, backgrounds, and voices in the rooms? Because diverse teams don't just feel good, they perform better. There's an actual math behind it. It's called wisdom of crowd. The more diverse the group, the fewer the errors, and it matters especially in AI. Number two is process. What are your governance policies? What standards do you commit to both publicly and internally? What promises are you making about fairness, accountability, and reliability? And third is tools. What frameworks and platforms are you using to ensure those promises actually hold up under pressure? We're going to dig into all these three in this series, but in the next video, we are going to also start to discuss where it matters most, people and culture. Because trust in AI starts with people building this. So if this resonates with you, and if you're thinking about trust, responsibility, and what it means to build AI the right way, stick around.